Welcome back to Giant Makeup. Today we will be going over the Allure box for March. I filmed the one for February. Time of this video, I don't know if I put it up or I will. I don't know yet. So we're just gonna get into March. March is St. Patrick's Day. I did the little green eyeliner because I mean that's all the green I can do. Here's the Allure box. And today it is March, I don't know what, but mid-March. And honestly, I think it takes a while for these boxes to get to me. As I said before, this goes to my parents' house and I used to get the Allure boxes there when I was unmarried. So it takes a little time for him to get back here and I never changed the address. So anyways, we don't have our chai right now because I drank it all, but we will get into the makeup. So here we go. Templates. We have a hydration oil, Blossom Essentials hydration oil, squalene, which I know is really good for you, marula, and golden jojoba, which is cool. Drunk Elephant has a marula oil too, but that's pretty expensive. Try this and see. I really feel like with my skin, I need to hydrate it more. Many people come at me in the comments saying you have horrible skin, you have dry skin, but it is what it is. So I try to hydrate as much as I can, but there's some things you can't change, you know, without expensive procedures. So next is Grown Alchemist Soothing Hand Cream. I've heard a lot about this brand and I think they've been in the Allure thing before. I'll try it out. Ooh, okay. A lot more comes out than you need to, but that's not a bad thing when it comes to hand creams, and I like it. And I think most people know by now that I'm a type 1 diabetic, so I get very dry hands, dry feet, dry lip. This really helps, I think. This is nice. I'm gonna keep this one, so sorry to my sisters. Then we have a sculpted lip liner from True Skin, color Mulberry. It's a very light color. I think it would totally match what I'm wearing right now. Yeah, it matches. So this is kind of similar to the color I'm wearing right now, which is Craft by Anastasia. Then we have this Rose Ink blush in Heliotrope. I have a couple of their blushes actually when they first came out, and I really liked it. And I may have this color actually, so my sisters will get this back. It's this beautiful shade, and I think these are the ones where you can take them out once you're done and put in a refillable. We have a Lumi deodorant, Agave Butter face and body cream, calming water pad, which is there you go. My kids are awake from their nap time, so we gotta hurry this up, and one of them is in here. Bye guys, it was nice seeing you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Hello, Mommy.
Hi, baby. This is the reality of filming with kids. They will show up from their nap time and come and say hi. This? No, you can't have this. You can't have this. Yes.
Look at you. Okay, well, I can have this.
Sure. It was nice seeing you guys. Bye.